You're recording?
I'm recording.
Okay, I'm going outside now to shovel the sidewalk, but the thing is the shovel is in the garage, and my wife told me to go out last night to get the shovel before it snowed, and I was like, it's not going to snow that bad, so don't worry about it. So now I'm admitting that my wife is right, and I was wrong. It's on video. So we're going to go out now, and this is what I have to shovel my way to the garage. Now the snow is about this high. This should be fun. Maybe you want to just take a shot of out here. It's literally up to my neck. Over there it's up to my neck. Dude, how the fuck am I going to get there? I can't shovel with a this is like... Alright. Great. This is nuts. This is impossible. This is crazy. There's no way. Fail.
Well, if you want...
Dude, I can't. There's no way. You know how much snow that is? You know how heavy that is? There's no way I'm going to do it with a freaking dustpan. That's retarded.
Maybe you could go next door and ask Carlos to borrow his shovel.
Motherfucker.
I think that's enough for now.
All right.